11.2, number 4, gives us this rational expression. And if you put the 0 in, what you're going to end up with is negative 1 over 9 plus 1 over 9, and you end up with that 0 over 0 thing again. So we have to use a different technique. So we're going to basically add the tops together. So I have 1 over x minus 9 plus 1 over 9 all over x. And to do this, basically you take this denominator, and you're going to put it on the top and the bottom over here. And then you're going to take this denominator, and you can put it on the top and the bottom over here. And so what we're looking at is, what is the limit as x approaches 0? Then I would have this common denominator right here. So I'm just going to do 9x minus 9, like that. And then on top, I have 9. And then we're adding. In this case, I distribute the 1 times x and the 1 times 9. So I'm going to have an x minus 9 on top. Also at the same time, I have this x sitting on the bottom. It's really x over 1. So what I'm going to do is multiply by its reciprocal. So then what I see is I'm going to add the 9 and the negative 9, these two right here. And so they will add up to 0. And now all I have left is this x times 1 on top. And so I can get rid of that x and that x. And so ultimately what I'm looking at is, what is the limit as x approaches 0 of 1 over 9x minus 9. Now if I take the 0 and plug it in, I'm left with 1 over negative 81, or negative 1 over 81. So let's go ahead and see if I can type this into the graphing calculator quickly. And the top is 1 divided by x minus 9. And then I'm going to subtract, or in this case, I should add 1 over 9. So that's the numerator, and I'm dividing by x. And if I go and start close to 0, do the 0.001, and I put my table together, I get this error message in the middle, and you can see these numbers are getting close to 0.0012. Now, if you're not getting the exact value, 0.012, or the negative 0.012, might not work on the graphing calculator or for WebAssign. So what we want to be able to do, because if you do 0.012 and you hit math, enter, enter, that's my answer. But I don't think WebAssign is going to take that. But if you think about what the negative 1 divided by 81 looks like, now I have obviously a different decimal. So you want to be able to use the algebra to get the exact value.